Alright, what's up y'all? We're back for another video. And I'm gonna cut this intro real short because I just saw a fish blow up like literally right next to me. I don't know what it was, but I'm gonna cast in there, see. Anyway, today we are out on Leverett Pond and it is beautiful out today. About 70 degrees, no wind. Bluebird skies, a little bit of clouds. It is looking good. The weeds have definitely came up here. This place is known for a lot of weeds, especially in this area. As you can see, it's just absolutely swamped. This is right off the boat area too. So I have a few buddies I'm meeting up with. I'm gonna try to make it out here. It's proven to be pretty tough with all these weeds, but yeah, I'll let you know when we're there. Alright, so I think I've spotted my friends and they're way out there. So that's a pretty far trek. For now, I think I'm gonna fish some little areas on the side and then make it over because I don't know, I'm just gonna try to find a pattern first. Right here is super shallow. I don't see any fish activity. I have my polarized on and I don't see anything. But who knows, there could definitely be some spawners back up in this cove. It's about that time here. And I'm probably throwing around the floating worm. See how that works. Yeah, let's try that. And I lost my worm. No. I think I'm on a fish already. Yeah, I am. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice fish. Nice fish. He ate it on the pause. I didn't even switch it. Nice fish, dude. Nice fish. Ooh. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That's a decent sized one. That's about a 3-pounder right there. Something around there. Absolutely choked the fluke. Holy, look at that. Nice, dude, nice. Oh, all right. Nah, not as big as I thought. Probably about a 2-pounder, but still a nice fish. Look at how he choked that fluke right down the mouth. Holy, that is a nice one. Cool. First fish of the day, didn't take too long. Gonna need to get the pliers for this guy, which might be kind of tough. I knew I should have took these out. I put them in that little container right up there. And it's super hard for me to reach in the kayak, so. And this guy absolutely choked it. I'm gonna need pliers for him, or else I'll have to cut the hook. But I don't wanna do that. I wanna at least try.
Yep. There you go.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
These things are great.
Yeah.
You just go like that and
oh, sweet.
boom.
Yeah, I never heard of those. All right, sweet. So that was fish one of the day. I'm gonna try to get these pliers out, then we're gonna cast some more. So apparently they are biting today because they got 40, which is crazy. Caught them on this green pumpkin fluke. I don't know the brand. It was something I picked up at a convention, but it was nothing like notable. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was definitely thinking was the thing. They said black and blue or purples. I don't have any of those, which isn't good, but on again. Stinker. Ah, solid guy though. Oh geez, oh, way too much line there. All right, well, we found where they're stacked up, boys. Nice little, less than a pounder. Get a pick and let them go. All right, here's cast number 1. Let's go, man.
Well, dude, I'm gonna kill someone. I'm literally gonna kill someone. Holy fuck. Oh, I think the big fish I'm gonna kill you.
Nah, it's not. It's a dinky. No!
Dude, I haven't caught anything though. Hey, do you know how many fish I've caught?
How many?
A lot.
A lot? Sweet, dude. Alright, I'm gonna put on a craw on this pole. See how that does, because there's a rock flat coming up here. It's about right up there. We'll see how that works. Because the craw tactic, it always pays off.
I just run. Like, every night I smoke it. Bro, why don't we keep fishing? Yo, come over here if you want to hit. Hey, say what? I think I'm done fishing for a little while.
I have one on right now.
Bro, if I flipped, it would be game over.
Decent little guy. He's got like some scarring on the side of him. Look at that. Pike attack or something. Thanks, bud. Got him on this sock raw. I think that's 10,000 fish. Sweet. I just want to put in a little note here. As you can see, just after I changed my battery, the camera got angled a little more down than I thought. So the footage isn't going to be too great, but I still get a good few fish after this. So definitely keep watching. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but I'll definitely fix that in the future. I'm going to be getting a chest mount instead. But yeah, it was just angled a lot more down than I thought, so yeah, anyway, let's just get on with the video. Decent one, decent. Maybe he just hit it hard. Yeah, just hit it hard. Oh yeah, he's a fighter though. Holy. Stuck in the weeds. Get out of there. He's on a tree. Oh no. Oh Jesus. Yeah, it's a fighter. Oh, this is actually a pretty decent one. Oh, come on, come on. He's spitting. Nice one. They're pound. They fought really hard, as you can see. Hooked him right on the top of the mouth. Thanks, bud. It's number 5 for me today. I think actually number 6. No, number 5. Because I didn't take a picture of just one of them. Alright, let's try over here. Getting them on the sock rod. This thing is like super freaking realistic looking. I mean, obviously it's crawfish aren't completely like it, but it's pretty damn similar. And these fish are just loving that. They'll usually eat it on the fall, which is good. On again. Decent one, about a pound again. I gotta Flip this guy. Nah, a little smaller, but it's alright. These guys are nailing the baits today. You're hungry. Ooh, there's a bed right here. Nothing's on it. Probably a bass bed left over. Could be also a bluegill. I think a lot of these fish here in post spawn. The water is super warm. Like very warm over here. Oh, decent fish. Decent one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. About a 2, I'd say. Hammered the craw. He was hanging out back there. Absolutely smoked it. Nah, about 1.5 pounds, I'd say. Never mind. Oh, and there's another fish right there. Decent. Thanks, bud. There's one that just swam right over here. I'm gonna try to get him too. It looked a little bigger, honestly, so this could be a bed right here. This could very well be a bed. Oh my god, fish just ate it right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was a good one too. Oh, damn. That was a good one. Ate right next to that log. I casted there before. Didn't eat it. What the hell, man? That was a nice fish. That was a nice freaking fish. Maybe he'll eat it again and cast back over there. Damn. I was not expecting that. When I hooked on, I felt like I hooked onto the log, but a fish definitely picked it up. I saw him. Try to rip a loose stem there. Oh, and I'm already on again. They're loaded. They're loaded. They're loaded back here. Oh, god damn. Let go. No, don't let go. I mean. Ah, nice. Another one.
I want Garrett to be involved. God. Shut the fuck up.
Oh my god. Oh, no way. Missed it. That was a dink. That was a dink.
Remember that boat Matthew was talking about? The city one? We have to get it running. I don't care what you say. At least tell Matthew that you want to be part of it for me. If you don't want to. Why? It's a 60-horse motor.
On.
And it's a river.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Decent one. He's pulling hard at least. Yeah, it's a dink. Dude, these fish fight hard in here. Yeah, it's a baby. And he popped off. Nice. Alright. That was fish number 9, I think? Something around then. Alright, y'all. So, we're finna wrap it up. We're going back right now. Caught about, I'd say, 11 fish. 10, 11 fish today. All bass. All pretty good size. They were ranging from small to about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Which is pretty good. It's an average little early summer day. And I haven't been on this lake, open water, so I've only ice fish here, so that means that's just good. That's good for me. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, a full summary, we fished craws, Senkos. I also fished a swim jig and a fluke. I got some fish on a fluke, most of the fish on the craw, just pitching it up into cover. And yeah, I mean, it was a great day. Got to see a lot of things, including this beaver here, who was letting me get pretty close to him. Yeah. This guy's looking crazy. Yeah, there he goes. Yeah, well, anyway, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Comment what you liked about the video. I like when you guys comment. You know, it's good engagement. Like to be involved in my community. If there's something you didn't like about the video, just let me know so I can fix it next time, because I'm just starting out. I need some recommendations, stuff like that. I'd say this a lot, but yeah, that's all. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and peace out.